A news. Radiomaster dropped in the new accessory for your radios. And those are new aluminum CNC gimbal stick ends. The new stick ends come in the two sizes. The smaller one, M3, fit perfectly. For example, the AG01 Mini you can fit into your TX12 or Radiomaster Zorro, and M4 sizes, which are for the bigger radios like TX16S with full-size aluminum AG01. But because this is standard M3 and M4, you can fit them on any gimbal that has either M3 or M4 thread. I have them currently installed on my full-size TX16S and the smaller one Zorro. However, for today's video, let's talk only about the TX16S with the M4 gimbal stick ends because they are slightly bigger and easier to show. The main feature of those aluminum CNC stick ends is that they come in the variety of colors and have very fine checkering and very fine detailed corona. By the way, the original stick ends that came with AG01 gimbal were my main, and I would like to say the only problems with those AG01s. Why? Because of the very aggressive corona, you were able to feel those things going into your skin after some flying. So it was maybe not painful, but you clearly could feel that those gimbal stick ends are biting into your skin, which is good for the grip, but well, not so good for the comfort. Those gimbals fix this issue. They both have a very fine and detailed knurling on the side and a delicate yet very thick corona that allows you to have a good grip if you are a pincher or if you are a thumber. I have not tried those sticks with the gloves, but I suppose it will be fine. Probably the original would be better, but probably those would be fine. They are nicely thick and in general feel nice in your finger. Like I mentioned, they can be both used when you are a pincher. You just take the gimbals like that, and because of the detailed knurling on the sides of the gimbal, you have a very good grip. Or if you are a thumber, the fine and delicate corona on the gimbal also bites into your skin, but because those spikes are much smaller than with the original AG01, you do not actually feel the pain. Yes, you feel that something is biting into your skin, but at least it's not painful. If you look for a small and relatively cheap upgrade to your radio, those gimbal stick ends might be the thing. If you would like to know more about the different gimbals, here is a video for you. Watch it, you should be enjoying yourself. I'm Paweł Spychalski, thank you very much for watching, and like always, happy flying!